Hi everyone, this will work. Get started on English now. These days, English is important for many good reasons. It's an international language and it can help you to get a better job. It allows you to communicate and make new friends with people from all over the world. Wherever you go, people will speak English as a native or foreign language. It's also the language of the internet. Most of the world's scientific research is published in English. These reasons are all very important. I'm sure when you begin to study English right now, you will also find a nice surprise. Speaking English is fun. Speaking English is easy. So, stop making excuses and get started now. Thank you for listening.